Master come my wife now her on a where she now when you did
Tribe
Records now you do that one now we don't do baseline okay
baseline.
I mean of for that baseline use scales and
Sion, there's Mr. Chido too.
Mr. Chido.
Mr. Chido, he's a producer.
Oh, Mr. Okay, Mr. Chido. I don't hear that Mr. Chido before.
Mr. Chido.
Mr. Chido, I don't hear that Mr. Chido before. Now, back to you, Ural. Since when you don't start music, now what you could say be your challenges for music?
Hold on.
I don't even know.
This year. Okay.
My challenges. I think sometimes people, before they hear you, they tend to judge you. They tend to put you into a box and just say, this is how this person is like, and whatever. So I think you get judged a lot. And yeah, especially like in Nigeria, before I decided to go and do my own thing, I did so many auditions. I went on Fame Academy, I went on all these different shows. So it was just the same thing, you get judged. So I just said, you know what, let me leave that, make I just do my own thing, and that's it.
But waiting, which kind of judge then they judge you? Say again, say they sing.
Well,
now you're singing, I've been at your look.
But now, like
You're gonna.
Your look.
I think okay.
Or maybe now, you know.
Now they talk now what for you. May I write them down for you.
They don't like
May I write are you not in the spirit? Don't you walk in the flesh?
No, I'm just saying me so now. Before you used to look at me and we communicate, yours, you know.
Now you know.
Continue, my dear.
I say, but it's everywhere now. Like they will judge you by the way you look. They will judge you by anything. That's the music
They
industry.
say, well, you know, we call it Tiffy.
No, now it's just that I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to put it. You just, it's like when they see me.
It's like a Paladon. It's like a Paladon.
When they see you, don't mind.
It's either one, they don't believe I can actually sing,
Okay.
and when I sing, they are now shocked because when they look at me, she looks a certain way. I don't know. Maybe I like to wear makeup. I like to look after myself.
You're fine. Leave that thing.
Thank you.
We know.
So they don't believe, I can sing or I don't know. They expect you to be somehow. Do you understand? But like I said to you, I was raised in a church and I have, and I know myself and I know where I want to go. So yeah.
Okay. Now.
I don't the problem, I don't.
But I mean, they get that kind of problem. What be your own challenges for music being in music for 5 years professionally? Now, what you could say be your own challenge?
I would say for me, my style of music is very different.
It not be like any other person.
Yes, it's so most times I have to. So most times I have to prove myself that this music is good.
To say you go blow, I think.
Yes, this music is
so
good. You need to listen. So that's been one of my biggest challenges. And then moving from one record label to the other is I think another challenge I had was attention. Like I need you to pay attention to my music. I need you to put down resources for my music and believe in it.
Okay.
So,
Now.
the people don't they quick believe in your kind of music, have you?
They like it when they first hear it, but for them to now commit. So, but when I was with Tribe Records, they were willing to do that. But like things happen, and then with Baseline now, they love the music and
they couldn't believe in you, say them believe in you. So basically now you're the only person when people for this kind of thing, a person will believe in you, we go put money for inside your waka.
So what's going to make them nominated for female? Which song were they nominated for female?
I have a song titled Iwonikon that came out in February for Valentine's.
Okay.
And I have Feeling This Feeling. I have a couple of songs. I have It's Over, and this song, all the songs have videos.
Okay.
So I've been out there for a while too.
Okay. So now tell us about your nominations for Nigerian Entertainment Awards.
I was nominated in the category of Female Artist of the Year.
Okay.
And I'm the only alternative artist in that category.
What now?
You've been surprised when they
I was shocked.
Be shocked, see they have it.
I was shocked, but I was happy because I looked at all the people on that list. They are all really amazing artists and very hard.
Who be the people there for the list?
There's Yemi Alade, there's Shay Shay, there's Dija, there's I can't remember
The only person
many,
if you follow,
but-
the only person if you follow drag now, the other people they know.
No, but they are all really hard-working artists. So for me, I was the only different artist, and I was happy that at least they were able to nominate an artist that was different.
They were
in that
really
category.
different.
Yes.
Okay, that now your shop.
Okay, now the video be this.
Yes, this is the one you call.
Okay.
Hey, Nebe, we don't know you here. Oh. Yeah.
Who be that boy?
That little boy.
I'm getting little boy. He's a grown man now.
The person you hold hand. Oh, who be that girl? That girl look at shower eye. We're not there on. Don't worry, not they go on. I'm saying it secretly.
When was this?
This was in March. I shot this video in March.
See as yours change.
I like the.
When I joined Baseline, I changed
concept.
my image. I changed a lot of things.
Why? Why
Yeah.
did you do that?
Because I wanted to be fly.
Well, I like
Because
that.
I had that,
honest
I had this very conservative.
Yeah, you
look,
come
and that was
across
because I was shielding myself too much. So when I had like new management, new everything, so everybody's like, see, this is
You
what
know
we
the
have
day
to
when
do.
they come back, we won't take it. We have to
Still-
record them. I don't mind anytime.
You guys will have to come back to this.
When can we
You guys
schedule
have to
the
come back
recording?
next
Next week. When
Yeah,
can,
next
today
week.
is what?
Sometime next week, maybe.
If we can record them in the morning,
Yeah, in the morning. We'll have
Okay.
to for the both of you again.
we'll have more time because we won't have
Have more
calls.
time.
We
We won't
won't
take
have.
calls, so they'll have more time to talk. Anyway, una welcome back on top of the national. The video of Aramide Iwonikon. Okay, that's
What does that mean? You are the only one.
Only
Yes.
one. Now the
Na
song
church
make them
song.
nominate you for any bidada.
Probably.
Oh, you don't know the song where they take nominate? No.
I don't know.
You know-
Maybe it's like cumulative work.
Okay.
They make mistakes. Say, me and you can't host one of the shows.
Hey! They can drive us.
They don't even know. We go fit us on stage. Say for
Which-
example,
which song they
which song? Say I don't know. Then we go
Go
laugh.
make mistake. Go instead of nominate, we go say nominate.
Then we go. He say. Then when she say she don't know, we go laugh.
We can't sing the song for her. Now, we're not to get too plenty time to take for talk to Aramide and Uriel Loputa. But think what me say they go come back next week again, and they'll come back next week. In fact, that time next week we're not gonna take phone calls. We'll go here because gist plenty to
No,
talk.
gist
This
was
sister in the Lord where they here, plenty story day. This sister in the Lord, mami water. Sorry.
Because I sometimes, when the back that her last video, you not gonna know say now she be the one now.
You not gonna know.
You don't know. Oh, yeah,
You
man.
there? What the tattoo where there for your shoulder, called chest, called?
They do just say you want to look closely, but you
No,
cannot.
not beside they look. Now just they talk to Aramide ma. I said after one move come like this. Ma who's here the thing? What's it they right here?
It's
They don't know what's in the right there.
Nne
You want bet?
Ahụnanya.
Nne ahụrụ nne.
No,
Oh, it's
Nne.
Igbo.
It's
But
Igbo.
now baby they talk to now. Nne is
My
babe.
mommy.
Oh, it's your mommy. Oh,
My mommy.
Nne. Oh, I love my mommy.
I love her.
Hey, Jehovah, very. Okay, we're not to get plenty time. Una two go sing for us.
No, make it okay. Ngozi can sing first, lah.
Arabic Aramide sing first.
Why?
Because you play any musical instrument.
No.
She
not
could
quite.
accompany.
Oh, Aramide, why not make Aramide play? Me you sing.
Okay. that's fine.
Aramide, I play. Then me she sing.
But you got which song?
Which song you want sing? Yeah, okay, because she get song which she dey promote now. What's the name of that your song again?
Wokoma.
Wokoma. Very. You need to hear that
Let me
song.
walk on. What's in the company?
Good man.
Yeah.
So the man don't minister to her when now she got the man Wokoma. drag her, buy her different things. Now she's saying, my brother, you're a good man.
I must put you in song.
I must put you in song. The guy buy her shawarma, alcoholic shawarma.
Nkwobi.
Buy am beef fresh.
Buy him Nkwobi.
Buy am that local boy something. Abacha.
Let's leave the rest part. Ngwa, continue.
Okay, you want me to sing?
No, play for her, make she sing.
Okay.
Or you want me to sing first?
No, I can sing.
Ngwa, sing.
Okay.
You can just play anything.
Okay,
I'll
do you know?
just-
Don't play anything.
and
Play
I'll freestyle.
KQ.
What's kiki?
You dey listen to me.
You and me, listen to me.
Hey.
Oh God, we're in love.
I need to find that key.
She defined the key. Now, but union key.
Hang on this.
You are my life. Hey.
Raise your hand.
You are my everything. You are my OP. You are my life. Oh, yeah. You are my everything.
Jesus!
I wanna be where you are.
Child!
I wanna feel even my walk on my head. Even my walk on my.
He don't do! He don't do! He don't do! He don't do spirit! He even my... You can't do that by that. He even my walk. I don't sing your before come for this video.
He saw a sweet song. Yeah.
So this is my new song that
Okay,
just dropped
yeah.
last week. Titled I Don't Care. I don't care what people say. I don't care. I don't care what people think about us. Them say, and I don't care, and I don't care, and I don't care. I don't care what people say. I don't care. I don't care what people think about us. Oh, them say.
Hey, he don't do! Una supposed to do something together.
This one say I don't care what people say.
No, we not get time. We not go do this. If not be say we not like to dey show ourselves. If we sing here,
The land will shake.
ground go check. I bet for those who are follow you, we go play. Don't worry, keep on. For those who are follow you on top social media, what are your
Okay.
handles?
My Twitter handle is at Aramide Music, Instagram Aramide Music, and my website is aramidemusic.com.
Where do we fit download your new song?
My website aramidemusic.com, and it's on every blog.
Uriel, your handle.
It's Urel Music Star, and that's for Twitter, and it's for Instagram, it's for everything. Facebook.
UREL.
No, URIEL.
Okay, you just
Music
remove
Star.
the A like in area. Remove A and put U. That's all.
Just as if say they spell Ariel, come out A.
Put you.
We go use our own song. Test sign at me,
And-
Kasim, and Easy Beat.
And you can download.
Yeah, her song. Sorry.
And you can download Wakoma from Not Just Okay, so you can just go there and have a look.
Enjoy the song.
And enjoy it.
Yeah, then go come back next week. Double Twilight, Big Bash, Champagne, Moves, Solo. We not gonna talk to the person who will give heart to. Now, until next week. Easy Beat, let's sing our song. That is how we roll. Like what? Like Agro. Hey, that is how we roll. What? Like Agro. That is how we roll. Like Agro.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.